हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू बैक टेक्निकल उर्मी चैनल। मैं हूं आपकी फ्रेंड उर्मिला अग्रवाल और आज का हमारा वीडियो का टॉपिक है हाउ कैन बी वर्क विद वर्कशीट इन MS Excel. As you know, MS Excel is a Microsoft program that is used to storing your data in the form of row and columns in a tabular form. You can be also do the mathematical calculations are here. So in today's topic we are discussing some kind of the points are here, like first is copy and moving. As you know, copy means डेटा का कॉपी करना एंड मूविंग मीन्स यू हैव टू बी जस्ट कट योर डेटा फ्रॉम देयर वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. यू कैन बी move your data. So as you can see in this picture, we are first of all selected this data. So go to home option, then go to clipboard group, then select your copy content. Otherwise you just select your content, right click there and use copy option. The third option is there, just select your content and use shortcut key, that is the control plus C. And now you have to be go to desired location. Just go to your desired location where you want to be paste your data. Just go and then use your data, control plus V. Okay, paste कर दीजिए. If you want to be a data cut from here, okay, if you want to be cut from here, copy means you have enough one copy here and another you can be move your data, but you want to be cut, that means it remove from here your data and then paste another place. So just we have to be use for right click here, then use cut option, otherwise select content and then shortcut key control plus X, otherwise go to the home tab and use cut option in clipboard group. Now you can see here there is one copy is here and another copy is in this location. Okay, if you want to be remove this part, then just use cut option and paste another place where you want to be paste your data. Next point is how can we copying the data in adjoining cells using mouse. माउस के थ्रू हम कैसे डेटा को यूज कर सकते हैं. First of all, select your content, then you can be see your mouse pointer will be here and then it convert a sign in a plus, then just drag this option and it paste the same item in another cells and just release your mouse. First select your content, then you can be use your mouse pointer here, then you can see there is a convert into plus sign, then just drag your mouse and release it in desired location. You can see your same data will be copied are here. Okay, next is using autofill feature. What do you mean by the autofill feature? Autofill feature is gives a facility to your series of data like in a number, days, dates. You can easily drag to them and then you can easily auto update are there. So you can be use your weekend days, dates, month series also you can be use numbers. Once you have to be insert your data like in a 1, 2 and then just drag your mouse and just release your desired location. You can see that is the autofill content is there. In this picture you can see here 1, 2, then just see this plus option and then just drag where you want to be released, just release it and then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 continuously numbers are there. If you want to be use Sunday, Monday like in a date options or month names, then you can also enter your data in that way like in a Sunday, Monday, like in a sun, month, MON month. Then you can just drag your content, then you can see there is an auto content is there, autofill. Similarly you can see here this kind of the data is here like in a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, date option you can be fill auto here. You can also fill here month names. So you can easily use the autofill feature. Next option is how can we create custom lists are here. So first of all you can see there add a autofill feature is there. After that just go to file tab, then click on options, then click on Excel options. A dialog box will be appear. There is an Excel options are there. Just go to there. In left pane advanced option you can see in this picture easily here. Okay, just click on the advanced option. After that in the advanced option you can see in the right pane there is a journal options are here. In this journal options you select edit custom list, and then you go to the another dialog box will be appear there, and see here easily some lists are provided. You just use, if you want to be create a new list, just click on the add button and you can create a new list are there, and just click on OK button. Next our data is here. Our next topic is here undo and redo commands. As you know, so undo shortcut key is Ctrl plus Z, and redo की shortcut key है Ctrl plus Y. You can see also these kind of the option, that is an undo and this one for the redo. Okay, you can see these options in the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar always you can see on the top of the title bar there. In the title bar is the left side you can see easily there. Next है how can we inserting a cell or row column in the MS Excel sheet. So what to do? First of all we have to be select our cell where you want to be enter row or column, and then just right click there. When you click on the right click, then you can see this kind of the options are there. When you click on the insert, then it will be ask you insert cells right, shift cell down, entire row or enter entire column. Which one you want to be there? Row करनी है complete या column करना है, according to requirement you can be select and just click on there. Otherwise another option is there. Go to the home tab, then in the home tab you just select your cells group. In cells group insert button is there. Just click on the insert button, then you can see these kind of options are there, and just select any one option according to your requirement. Okay, next topic is how can we delete a cell, row or column. If you want to be delete your particular any column, cell or row, just go to home tab, click in cell group and select delete button. In the delete button you can be see multiple things are here, like in delete cell sheets row, delete cell column, delete sheet. If you want to be particular sheet को आपको delete करना है, then select delete sheet. आपको किसी cell को remove करना है, then use delete cell option. If you want to be remove a column there, then delete sheet rows. If you want to be column, delete sheet columns. If you want to be delete rows, then select delete sheet rows options. Our next point is changing the column width. Now we can be adjust our column width are here. If you want to be change your column width, then just do it. Like you can see in this diagram प्राइस इसका बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा हमें नहीं लेना है, तो हम जस्ट चेक अवर माउस को लीजिए और माउस को यहाँ पे लाके क्लिक कीजिए. देन दिस काइंड ऑफ द साइन विल बी हाईलाइटेड. देन you can see there is a bar, and you can also adjust these bar with the help of your mouse, and which kind of the option you want to be there, means you want to be according to your requirement width, you can be set it and just release your mouse. Another method is there. Go to the home tab. In the home tab go to cell group. In cell group click on format button. You can see here this one option is here. Again I repeat, go to home tab. In home tab cell group में आपको format tab मिलेगा. Then this kind of the drop down menu will be appear. Just click here auto fit column width. Now you can see here column width में auto fit column width. According to that it will be auto adjust there. If you want to be manually change your width, then click on column width, then just click on OK. If you want to be according to your requirement, you can be set here column width, then click on OK button. Next, how can we change the row height? So first of all, go to home tab, then cells group, click on format button. A drop down menu will be appear, just click on there, then click to row height and autofill row height. If you click on the autofill row height, then it according to setting it will be set there. Otherwise you can be click on the row height, then this kind of the dialog box will be appear, and you can be adjust your row height according to requirement. Just write the number are here and then click on OK button. So guys, I hope you like this video and it's helpful for you. If you like my video and channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.